What if I told you that you could make your own leave-in conditioner at home in just few minutes, save money and still give your hair that moisture and softness it deserves? In today's video, I will show you how to make a very quick and easy DIY leave-in conditioner using simple ingredients you may already have at home. One thing I absolutely love about this recipe is that you are in complete control. You know exactly what goes into your hair and can choose ingredients that work best for your hair type and needs. So if you are looking for a simple and affordable, effective leave-in conditioner, keep watching because this recipe might become your new favorite. Let's dive in. So to begin, grab your clean mixing bowl. First ingredient is aloe vera gel. I'm using a store-bought aloe vera, but you can use the fresh aloe vera if you prefer. But keep in mind that fresh aloe vera should be used immediately, whereas the store-bought version can last approximately 5 to 7 days when you mix and store it properly. For this recipe, I'll be needing 4 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is well known for its moisturizing properties and is widely used in natural hair care. It helps soften the hair, enhance shine, and improve moisture retention. So moving to my next ingredient is argan oil. I personally use argan oil because I have a very low porosity hair, and if you have high porosity hair, you may prefer coconut oil. Other great alternatives that includes almond and jojoba oil depending on your hair needs. So I'm adding extra virgin olive oil. However, you can substitute it with any carrier oil that works very well for your hair type. Olive oil is commonly used in hair care because it helps nourish the hair and lock in moisture. At this stage, it's important to note that no water is being added to the mixture, only aloe vera gel and the oils. Once all the ingredients are in the bowl, stir thoroughly until everything begins to blend together smoothly. As you mix, you will notice the aloe vera gel gradually incorporating with the oils. If you are not in a rush, you can use a whisk for a smoother consistency. Since I was short on time and I used a spoon and continued stirring until the mixture was well combined. So guys, have you watched to this stage and you are yet to subscribe to the channel? But please, did you give this video a thumbs up? Did you share it to your friends? Did you turn on your post notification? Oh yeah, let me give you some minutes to do that. Okay. Thank you and God bless. So after mixing, I noticed that the conditioner was still a little bit, and I wanted a lighter consistency that would spread easily through my hair shaft. Before I show you what I added next, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now let's continue. The next ingredient is 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a popular addition to hair care product because it helps support moisture, retain, and leaves the hair feeling softer and more manageable. So after adding the vitamin E oil, stir the mixture again until it's fully incorporated. One thing I particularly love about this conditioner is how soft it leaves my hair and how much easier it makes detangling and combing is, and it is very affordable and easy, quick, that you can mix in within twinkle of an eye. You have your leave-in conditioner. Next, I'm adding one final ingredient that really helps improve the overall texture of the conditioner. Can you guess what that is? Yes, can you guess? Oh yeah, guess. Oh yeah, my love, guess. Guess what I added next that enlightens, that makes the conditioner to be more lighter and not too thick, not too light. Did you get that right? Oh yeah, let me tell you. Let me leak that simple secret. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a widely used hair care ingredient that helps condition the hair and contributes to a smoother, more nourishing formula. Once added, continue stirring until everything is fully combined. Take a look at the consistency now. It's lighter, smoother, and much easier to apply. The mixture isn't overly thick, but it's not too runny either. Just the perfect texture for a leave-in conditioner. And that's it. Your leave-in conditioner is ready. Simple, quick, and you are the boss that knows all the ingredients that your hair deserves and loves. You can store this in a very good environment and in a very clean, airtight container and use it for up to 5 to 7 days because this recipe is intended for short-term use. A preservative wasn't necessary, because if you would like it to keep it for several weeks or months, you should add an appropriate cosmetic preservative, which I will prescribe a cost card for you. I'm transferring mine into a small container because I only needed enough for a few days. It's a quick solution. Whenever I run out of my regular leave-in conditioner, I rush to my kitchen and boom, I have my leave-in conditioner. What I love most about this recipe is simplicity. You know exactly what ingredients are going into your hair, and you can customize the oils to suit your specific hair needs. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it works for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support helps my channel grow and allows me to create more helpful content for you. Thank you so much for your time and thank you for watching. Please stay blessed, take care of your hair, and remember that I'm always cheering you all throughout your healthy hair journey, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, I'm rooting for you. See you and I love you. Regardless. Bye bye.